If you're creating designs for social media for yourself or for your clients, then you might use Canva or Adobe Express. Well, let me tell you one more tool, and this one is using AI to generate the posters for the social media. This one is created by the Microsoft, and the URL of this one is designer.microsoft.com. And in designer.microsoft.com, then you'll find this kind of screen, and there is a top right corner button, try designer for free. Once you click on that, then you can log in by using the Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, then you have to create one. By clicking on this create one option, you can create a new Microsoft account. And if you already have a Microsoft account, then you can simply sign in by using your credentials. Okay, once you log in your Microsoft account, then you'll find this kind of screen. On the left hand side, you will find a text box where you can add your command for creating the poster, and on the right hand side you will find some samples, and you can use any one of these, and you can take a example one from these. Let's say an Instagram post to congratulate the winners. And this is what I want from this Microsoft designer. And if you want to use it like a Canva, then you can simply click on the skip button and on a blank canvas, and it will show you a blank canvas over there, and you can use pre-built templates. So here are the examples which were generated from our command. So here are the few samples of that, and we can select any one of these. So it depends on the age group. The designs are mostly depends on the age group. Then simply select any one of these. If you don't like any one of these, then again click on the generate, and it will create more samples for us so that we can select any one of these. So here are the more samples of the designs. Let's say this one. Simply click on this one. And one more thing, if you want to change the ratio of the design, then you can simply click on this size button, and in this size button you'll find a square, landscape, or portrait. You can select any one of these, and let's say square just for Instagram. And then if you like everything, then you can simply click on the download, and if you want to add more content on it, then you can click on the custom design. You may select this one. Wow, this one is really great, and it is a zip file or a video file. I can say this one is creating a video files too, and here is a option of a video. This icon is a for the video files. What I want to simply poster, so simply select the poster which you like, then click on the customize design, and there you will find the options on the left hand side. These are the editing options. You can use the pre-built templates, and you can add your own images on media, and you can use the visuals like graphics, photos, icons. And if you want to add the more content, then there is option of text and brand kit. Brand kit means you can add multiple colors in that. Just for example, there are the brand kit options. You can select any one of these, so it will modify the design according to your brand kit, means according to your color scheme. Let's say this one. Okay, let's say this one. So I clicked on the brand kit, and it changed the color of our social media posters according to that brand kit. So this is how it is working, and this one I like the more. But here I do not like the image, because I want a poster for the winners so there should be a student, there should be a teacher, or there should be any kind of player, but this is not appropriate image. But no worries, on the right hand side you will find a lot of options for that one, and for the winners if you want to create the video. And this one is really amazing, and you can use any one of these. If you don't like any one of these, then you can add your custom image, or you can select the image from the visuals and search the image there, and you can replace with that too. But here I like this one, so I'll simply click on this one. So this is again a new idea, generative idea, which we were generated by using the Microsoft Designer AI. Then again you can edit this as per your requirements. Suppose I wanna change the content, then simply I'll click on the content, and here by clicking on this you can change the content of this one. You can change the font color, font style, size, and the bold, italic, or opacity, or position, whatever you like to change. But here I don't want this kind of font. I don't like it personally, so I will simply remove this. Then simply click on that text button, and there is a new post. Click on this and add your content. Let's say, hey winners, If you want to change the font of this one, font means color or anything, then you can do that. Let's say this one, I like it. Then again, I want to add more content in it.
And here we go. The town of you.
Here I'd like to decrease the size of this one and make it a simple content, not a bold. Till I am editing this, please hit a subscribe button. So this is how we can create a poster by using this one. Now let me show you one more thing. First let me save this one. If you want to download it, if you want to post it on your social media, then you can do it. You have a complete copyright on this because this is an AI generated poster. So simply click on download, JPEG or PNG, whatever you like, then simply click remove watermark. That's right. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll paste my invitation link in the description. You can click on that link and simply visit that Microsoft Designer website. Now just add one more thing. I want to show you one more thing. Suppose you are working for your client, you have account on Fiverr, you have account on and here let me show you one more thing about that. Let's say I'm on the Upwork and here I'm visiting the clients, and before sending the proposal to the client, I should send some samples of the work so that I can convince the client so that I'll get a job, I'll win that job. So for example, this is here the client is required Facebook ads, and this is the description. So he or she just added a few things in that. Hello, I'm looking for a Facebook ads for my mortgage businesses. So this is the major keyword in that. So we'll simply copy the keyword and paste it into the Microsoft Designer. So this is the keyword. We are gonna copy this by pressing Command or Control+C. Then on the right hand side, click on this button to generate the ideas, and here it is. Click on the generate and it will generate few samples for that, so that we can attach these samples in the So here are the few samples. You may select any one of these. If you don't like anything, then again you can click on the generate button and it will create more options for you so that you can attach these options in the proposal. Let's say this one is looking nice. If you like add or remove anything, then click on the customize design. But I think it's looking pretty good, but let's remove this. And here it is. I don't like this image, so I will simply click on the visuals. Okay, yeah, I like this image. Yeah, here it is. And simply by clicking on the position, by setting the position, set the previous image and click on the delete or a backspace to remove the picture. So here we removed our previous picture. Now get the best mortgage rates. Okay, and if you want to change the font style, then you can do it. And if you want to add any kind of background, then again it is possible by using this tool. Let's select any background from this picture. For example, this one for the background. Set as a background, then remove the opacity of this one. Then set the opacity of this one, let's say 10% only. And boom, our design is ready. So I think it's pretty much better than the Canva, because here are the more options. By using AI, we can just generate the pictures for our social media and for our clients' social media. But again, I'm gonna tell you, as a designer, I'm not gonna recommend these kind of tools for the professional editing. But yeah, if you are a beginner or if you wanna design for yourself, then such kind of tools are best for to increase the work efficiency and to decrease the prices of the social media designs. Then again, I'm gonna download it and I will use it for my design for my social media and to send this proposal on the Upwork proposal or the Fiverr proposal, so that I can win the job. So this is simply a Facebook ad, as we said. And again, if you wanna change the size or anything else, then everything is there. So you must visit this website and you must check this so that it can save your time. Suppose you are working for any ad agency, you are working for any educational center, and your boss or your client want a number of designs per day, then you can simply write down your requirements in the command, then you can generate the posters. What at the end of this video I'm gonna say this: please share and subscribe PixiPace YouTube channel. I really need support from your side, so please hit a subscribe button and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.